What if your face decides how the game is played? What if being bored triggered an explosion of chaos, boss battles, and even total bullet mayhem? Well, I built it. So here's what happened. I was playing a simple shooter game and I caught myself bored. Not because it was bad, but because the game wasn't watching me back. And then it hit me. What if a game could see your face and react to your emotions in real time? That is the spark that led me to create one of the craziest features I've ever built into a game. A mood adaptive AI system that triggers chaos the moment you stop having fun. This game isn't just a shooter, it's a reflection of you. So here's what I added. A real-time facial detection using MediaPipe to track if you're happy, sad, or bored. Then, a surprise mode that activates when it detects boredom. Bosses spawn, chaos takes over, and you're thrown into bullet hell madness. Autofire systems that also adapt to whether you're moving or standing still. And there's also a weapon-specific fire rates that changes your playstyle. Everything from snipers to machine guns. This game doesn't just wait for you to act, it acts based on your mood. So let's get technical here for a second. Using MediaPipe's face mesh, the game analyzes your facial expressions in real time. It calculates distances between facial landmarks, your eyebrows, eyes, mouth corners to classify your emotions. And based on this, I assign engagement states like happy, neutral, sad, or bored. And if it detects boredom for more than a few seconds, game mode switches automatically. So now watch closely. Right now it says that I'm happy and everything is calm with just regular targets. And now I'm going to try to make myself look bored by looking away. And boom, as you can see over here, the surprise mode kicks in. Now we've got bosses with health bars, time warp effects, explosive particle systems, and even more than 8 targets at once. The moment you stop being engaged, the game hits you back. Now let's talk about one of my favorite features, which is Smart Autofire. As you can see over here, if I'm moving WASD, the game automatically fires bullets in the movement of my direction. If I stop moving, then it switches to the mouse direction with a clean white line indicator over here. So there's no clicking, no aiming needed. Just move and it fires for you. In this game, there's multiple weapons where each weapon has its unique fire rates. For example, there's a pistol which shoots steady and reliably. There's also the machine gun, which is total madness. And there's also a sniper which is slow but deadly. And finally, there's also the plasma, which is sci-fi energy bursts. You can collect all of these power-ups and they immediately change the rhythm of the game, and which makes it more fun and engaging. Okay, building this game wasn't easy. The biggest challenges include keeping false positives low with facial detection, where not every blink is boredom. Furthermore, I also balanced weapons to make auto-firing fun without making it mindless. And also, I was syncing facial state to real-time game events with no lag. And finally, building a full emotion classification pipeline that works in browser with good FPS. But the moment the surprise mode actually worked, it felt like the game was alive and it was reacting to me. This game has serious potential. Games that adjust to their difficulty based on your emotion. Furthermore, there are learning platforms that challenge you based on when you're mentally checked out. You can also use this for streamer tools that throws surprises midstream based on viewers' reaction. And finally, accessibility games that adapt to your non-verbal feedback from the player. This is just the start of what mood reactive gameplay could look like. This is one of the most exciting projects that I've ever coded. It blends computer vision, machine learning, game design, and a little bit of emotional psychology. If you guys enjoyed the video, like the video and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one.